How's that look? That looks pretty good to me. Right, I'll go with that. That's that one done then. What do we reckon? That look alright? Looks okay to me. Just see where the lettering was actually, but I'm not going to do that anymore. That's got a nice radius on there. I'm happy with that, especially by freehand. That will be going through that bit and come through this bit here, and then that will go on top of that, like so. So next step is to cut our square. Now, I know this is very tight fit in there. It will go through. So if I cut the square, and it's not actually a square actually, because it looks like it's longer one way than it is the other, but I'm going to cut it as a square. And if we just touch the threads, I know we're going to be there or thereabouts. And obviously I'm not doing it all the depth, I'm just going to do a little bit. Right, let's set that up. Right, okay, so we have a square collet chuck, which you can just about see in the picture. And this is against its stop, so it can't go any further in the vise, which is just out of the picture. I'll tell you what, can I? Yeah, zoom you out, there you go. Right, you can see what's going on just down here. There's the stop. So I've made sure that I've got enough depth from the cutter without touching this, and that just graze those threads because we don't really want to go any further than that. And then I'm probably going to move in, well, I don't know, I'll do 2mm first of all, and then just see what that looks like. So let's take this up. Make sure I'm clear of everything, which I should be. Yep. Right, let's go. Again, I might just blacken that in there a little bit. I don't know if I'm going to be able to see that or not, but no, probably not. Oh, right, there we go. Rightio. DRR on. to me. 2 mil it is. Let's wind this way a little bit. Round. Quarter a turn. Next one. Go back to 0. Right, there we go, just taking it out. It needs a little bit of a deburr obviously, but I'm pretty happy with that. And I don't know if you can see or not, but it just grazed the threads. So that's spot on. Right, let me deburr this. Right, okay, so that's all been deburred. And nice on the edge. Now this has got a couple of raised bits here, so I might just take a file to that, sort them out. Right, okay, so what I've just done is I touched it up on the old grinder actually, just because these are concave, or they're meant to be concave. So I didn't want to go running this flat, and you can see straight away where I touched it with the file there and there, and it just touched that. So I've just done that with the grinding wheel. Right, okay, so and right, okay. Oh, that's nearly in there. Oh, that's good. I didn't expect that to go in there just like that. Looks like it's just a minute gap maybe, but not much. Right, okay. Oh, this looks like it might even work. Right, 13mm span yarner. And I thought I might need to shorten that up actually, that nut, but I don't think, or sorry, the bolt should I say, but I don't think I'm even going to bother doing that actually. Right, that's tight there. Loose there. Yeah, so I think these are going to need a bit of looking at, because it's tight there. You can see it tight, tight, loose, tight, 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 loose. Although that's loosening up as I do that. But that shouldn't be tight there at all really. Oh, let's have a well, they're not too bad. But there's something amiss in this top end. So I'm going to have to work out what. Right, let's just quickly take them apart again. there. Is that a shiny mark there? Wondering that might be it. Just take a file to that. Yeah, see there, probably mark, yeah, just about that place, right. Right, okay, so let's try it again. It still goes stiff there. Oh, didn't realise that. Bit of a gouge just there. Right. I reckon it's that same spot again. Yep. Ah. Come on off, you bugger. Looks like it's taken a bit of a knock just there. I can see that is raised up, so let's see what we can do.